Mayuri?
Yes, I know.
Okay. Then some have additional outer membrane or capsule. Ah, that is important. Additional outer membrane. Okay, I will talk about this one in the bacteria also. Bacteria also. Actually, this helps to stay within the unfavorable condition. Stay within the unfavorable condition. Okay, then size and shape. Generally, these are very smaller comparative to the eukaryotic cells, and we can see a lot of shapes, spherical or shape, spiral shapes in the bacterial, and I'm going to talk more about this one. And reproduction is by binary fusion. Binary fusion. And this is important. It has a rapid reproduction rate. Just highlight that rapid reproduction rate. Rapid reproduction rate. Just remember binary fusion, and that is quite similar to the cell division. Okay, quite similar to the cell division. Okay. Then example bacteria and archaea. Highlight that on bacteria and archaea. Bacteria and archaea. Bacteria and archaea. Finish.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. I will quickly go through this eukaryotic cell. Do you have any classes from schedule thing? Can you give me 5 to 10 minutes? I will wind up quickly.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Eukaryotic cells. Actually, the main difference is you can see a nucleus, a clear nucleus, and you can see membrane bound organelles in here. Membrane bound organelles. And remember, you can see ribosomes too. That means ribosome can be seen in both eukaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Remember that point, okay? This can be checked in MCQs and structure papers because most of the student things because the ribosome is doesn't has a membrane, no? So that is only limited for prokaryotic cell. That is not the truth. You can see it is in eukaryotic cell. That's why I told you there are two kind of ribosomes, 17S and 70S and 80S. 70S are in the prokaryotic cells and 80S are in the eukaryotic cells. Okay? These are more complex. These are more complex and comparatively higher than the comparative size is higher than the prokaryotic cells and found in plants, animal, fungi, and protists. Plant, animal, fungi, and protists. That means we talked about three domains, no? Archaea, bacteria, and eukarya. Archaea, bacteria, and eukarya. Under eukarya, there are mainly four kingdom, no? Kingdom Plantae, Kingdom Animalia, Kingdom Fungi, Kingdom Protist, Kingdom Protist. all the cells in this eukaryote domain, no, all the cells in this four kingdom are eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. Then we can see membrane-bound organelles. Highlight membrane-bound nucleus. Membrane-bound nucleus. Membrane-bound nucleus. Then associated with histone protein. This also discussed associated with histone proteins. Then membrane-bound organelles. Membrane-bound organelles. Membrane-bound organelles. Finish.
Yes, sir.
Okay, membrane-bound organelles are there. Then a complex network of the cytoskeleton. That is not too much important, okay? Not too much important. Complex network of protein filament and enable cell movement, microtubules, microfibers, and intermediate filament. Too much important. Size and complexity. These are generally larger comparative to comparative to what's that? Prokaryotic cell. Size is given as 10 to 100 micrometers. 10 to 100 micrometers. How to write micrometers? 10 to 100. This just like you micrometers. This is the way you can write micrometers. This is important. Okay. Compartmentalization. Compartmentalization. That means within a cell, specific regions are allocated for specific functions. That is the compartmentalization. That means compartment means a specific area. No? Think like this. If we do the partition for a think like this, there is a main hole. Okay, there is a main hole, and what we do, we make compartment or we make partitions. We make partition. Then one space can be called as compartment. One space can be called as compartment. Likewise, reproduction mitosis for somatic cells. Somatic cells mean. Do you know the meaning of somatic cells? Somatic cells mean body cells. Body cells. I told you there are two N cells, no? Two N cells are somatic cells or body cells. Meiosis for gamete production. That means sperm and ovule. And I told you in meiosis for N. N mean only uh, 23 chromosomes in here. 23 into 2 chromosomes. Pair of chromosomes. Here only one single pair. Write that down. Finish.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then we have to talk about type of eukaryotic cells. And these are the typical cells. Then I will start from the here next day. I will start from here the next day. And if I have any free time, I will let you know. Let's see whether we can do additional class. Okay. Because I told you I want to finish this one and the next lesson within this year. Then we have finished our first lessons. Plus one more lesson. That means Pythagoras lesson is not included for the first term. Okay, shall I wind up the class then?
Okay, sir.
Do you
You
have
can
any
say.
doubt? Anything to ask?
No, sir. Everything is clear.
Okay. Then I will wind up the class.